Some Snapchat users have been experiencing stating on screen, "Oops, we could not find matching credentials." This error triggers when the user enters Snapchat's wrong user ID and password. It usually appears when Snapchat finds some suspicious person is trying to log into your account, and then Snapchat temporarily locks your account. Moreover, if Snapchat has a filled or corrupt cache or an outdated app can also lead to this error. Regardless of the cause, in this guide, I will be showing you how to resolve the error mentioned above, so just follow through the given guidelines. Method 1. Check the internet connection. This error occurs when the internet is slow. Snapchat requires a good internet connection. So, you should make sure that your device is connected with a fast internet connection. You can change the router or can sit closer to it. Also, try that no other device is attached to the same router. Moreover, you can switch to mobile data or use Wi-Fi and mobile data at a time. Still, if the speed is slow, restart your device and router. Then log in to Snapchat and check if the problem is fixed or not. Method 2. Turn off VPN or proxy server. Although virtual private networks (VPN) help its users to change their locations, but sometimes Snapchat does not allow it. So, when the users try to use VPN, it shows an error and stops them to log into the account. In this case, the users must avoid the use of a VPN and try to launch the app with good internet speed. Method 3. Reset your Snapchat password. Open the Snapchat account and enter the username and password. If the error occurs, then click on the Forget Password. Now choose the option from where you want to reset your password, select via email. Enter the email and press the Submit option. Now you will get a verification email of Snapchat password reset. Open the mail and click on the available link. Enter and confirm your new password and click on the Save option. Now open Snapchat and log in with a new password and check if the error appears or not. Method 4. Update your Snapchat app. When the app is outdated, glitches and bugs affect the app performance and Snapchat can't find credentials error appears. So, it is important to update the app regularly. Because sometimes, the new update contains fixes to remove these glitches and bugs. Method 5. Clear the Snapchat app cache. Sometimes when the cache of the app fills or corrupts because of bugs and glitches, Snapchat stops responding to users and they cannot open their account and the Snapchat can't find matching credentials error appears. In this case, clear the app cache and check if the error fixes or not. Method 6. Open Snapchat on a different device. You can try to open your Snapchat account on another device and see if it works. Most users have luck with this workaround. As mentioned above, the login verification bug usually appears on specific devices only. Method 7. Uninstall and reinstall the Snapchat app. If you continue to encounter the error, you can reinstall a new version of the app. First, uninstall the Snapchat app based on the instructions of your device. Navigate to the App Store or the Google Play Store and look for Snapchat. Tap the Install button. Restart your device.